How to log in to Kraken Pro Platform. First of all, open the Kraken Pro app from your app drawer or home screen. On the main screen, tap on the sign in button. Now enter the email address and password you used while creating your Kraken account. Once you have entered your credentials, tap continue to proceed. If you have enabled fingerprint login, you may be prompted to use your fingerprint. This adds an extra layer of convenience and security. After that, the app will verify your login details and grant you access to the platform. Once you are logged in, you will land on the main dashboard where you can explore live charts, view your portfolio, and start trading immediately. If you ever forget your password, tap on the Forget Password on the login screen and follow the steps to reset it securely. Now you know how to log in to Kraken Pro Platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.